Hey vlog! Today we are gonna get some Melrose to start the day and then we're gonna head to the beach. Come with us. Okay guys, now we got our matcha. Let's taste. It tastes weird.
Yeah.
It's not usually how it tastes.
She didn't add enough coconut salt stuff.
Yeah. Yes, this was not worth $9.
I'm gonna go run in and tell her to give me
What
one.
the heck, guys? Hello, vlog. Now we are getting some hot dogs at Mean Dogs. It's a new hot dog place that just opened up. We're trying it for the first time, and then we are gonna drop our mom off, and then me and Kailena are gonna go to the beach. Guys, I got the Chicago dog. It has looks like jalapenos, some pickles, some tomatoes, lots of relishes. It looks delicious. Kailena got the chili bowl. Oh. Well, that was good. Let's try. Holy moly.
Do you want a bite of mine?
Yeah. That was delicious. My mom already took a bite out of it, but she got the California dog.
Yours is spicy.
I like it.
I think this was the right choice
This
for
is-
you.
Can I try a bite of yours, Mama? Is it spicy or not?
Oh, that fruit coleslaw is so creamy. This is good. The California dog is really good. Oh, the coleslaw is so creamy. This is good, guys. I'm rating it a 10 out of 10 for the first try, honestly. And I don't give out 10 out of 10s very easily. But this is delicious. Okay, vlog. We are now at the beach. Well, we're not there yet. That's
really
where we're
pretty.
going.
Really pretty.
But we need to
The water's so
literally
clear.
hike all the way down
Wait,
that.
Mommy.
Hey vlog. So Kailena took a major tumble down the mountain. I got a little busted up, but are you okay? Yeah. And here's the beach.